frigid indeed, 29 degrees. So that sunshine did bump us up to near freezing, but we're still below freezing for most of the island. 30 by Great Neck, 28 degrees by Shirley. It feels much better than it did a couple hours ago. We were still in the teens by late morning. So once you factor in the wind chill, the temperatures feel like the teens outside. You want to dress for these temperatures if you're leaving, especially for a long period. You want the hat and the gloves, all that, because it's cold outside. Winter has made a return, and the winds will start to shift as we head into Monday, and we'll get more seasonable as far as temperature goes. But that does come with some clouds moving in for the day on Monday. Could see a spot shower, very light, but that is a slight chance. The better chance for rain showers comes Tuesday night. So here we are around 8 p.m. That will come after dinner time. Well, good evening, Long Island. I'm meteorologist Krystal Ellis, and we've got a lot to talk about outside. The rumors are true. A blizzard watch is in place that will affect us midnight Monday through midnight on Tuesday. So this is our storm. It is going to ride up the coast. It has a lot of moisture packed in it. The darker shades of blue, that is heavy snowfall. So you want to be prepared. It clears out by Tuesday late evening.
Time for another look at our forecast, and Krystal is back now. Looks like Old Man Winter just doesn't want to give up.
No, he's battling it out with spring.
Krystal is back now. She's got our 7-day forecast. I guess a lot of people will be camping out waiting for those burgers on
and they
Sunday.
can, because it's going to be dry tomorrow. It's actually not going to be too bad of a day.
Good deal.
Yeah, I'm excited. So, everybody, if you're out on the go tomorrow, you want to download the new News 12 app so you can check the latest weather when you're out and about. Our rain chance over the next 5 days is looking pretty solid for Monday. That's Monday morning, especially on your Memorial Day holiday, unfortunately. So make sure you have the rain gear prepared. Satellite and radar. So we've got some breaks, bringing in that sunshine, warming things up. Here we are this afternoon. This is when we get the chance for that rain shower or thunderstorm to roll through, but it moves quickly. So it'll be a brief and quick moving hit or miss shower or thunderstorm. It clears out tonight and the humidity drops down, and Sunday will be a much more pleasant day as far as humidity goes. It'll be sunny and gorgeous. So for today, 85 is your high. It is warm and humid outside. Don't forget about those thunderstorms in the afternoon. Tonight will be around 63. It becomes clear and that humidity lessens. So our 7-day forecast, check it out. Well, a very good afternoon on this hot summer day. 88 degrees right now outside our Woodbury studio. A couple clouds mixing into the picture, as they will continue to do as we head into the later afternoon hours. Temperatures across the board are ranging from 88 degrees in Farmingdale, 90 degrees in Sayville, 87 in Eastport. A little bit cooler by Orient Point, around 83 degrees. It's feeling hot outside, and where do you go for relief but the beach? We've got a moderate risk for rip currents out there. UV index of around 9, so make sure you wear your sunscreen. And the waves around 3 feet, not bad. Shinnecock Inlet, let's look at the next couple hours. Around 4 p.m. will be around 83 degrees, so mild into the nighttime hours. The clouds continue to thicken up, and then late tonight we could see a rain shower, especially overnight. So let's look at that right now. Here we are, 4 p.m. The clouds move in and thicken up quite a bit, and there's your rainfall. So clear out the barbecues before, I'd say, 8:30 in Nassau County, and you should be good. Then it scatters a bit. This system's trending southward a little bit, but we do have a chance for getting some of the action, especially on the South Shore. So make sure you are mindful of a severe or strong thunderstorm in the area. Could bring gusty winds and definitely a winning forecast. Let's look outside. These hyperlocal cameras all over the place. We're seeing crystal blue skies by Woodbury, Stony Brook, Southampton, and in Riverhead. So looking good, feeling good outside. Get to the beach. I know it's warm and pleasant. There is a moderate risk of rip current developing, so be sure to swim around a lifeguard, especially if you're inexperienced. Our temperatures outside are right around 80 degrees, and they will continue to warm up as we head into the afternoon hours, and it will be around 86 for our average today. Satellite and radar shows we are very lucky. We've got this dome of high pressure, and that just means we've got dry conditions through today, tonight, and tomorrow, so we can view that partial solar eclipse. Again, the beach forecast, if you're going to the beach, there is that moderate risk of rip current that has developed, and 2 to 3 foot waves on the ocean, 1 to 2 on the sound. Water temperatures are quite comfortable. As for today, your hyperlocal temperatures, Merrick, you're around 87 degrees, 81 by New Suffolk, Sag Harbor, 84 in Coram. So a pleasant, warm day. Into tonight, that northwest wind flow will keep the humidity at bay, and we'll be in the mid-60s, upper 60s in Nassau County. Let's take a look at that hyperlocal 7-day forecast. Here it is. We've got a great forecast coming up for Game 5 for the Yankees. So if you're headed there, it looks like winning weather. We've got temperatures in the mid-60s heading into the first pitch. And as you're leaving the game tonight, it will be warmer than normal, and this is why our air pattern across the U.S. is actually bringing in more mild air, and that continues through Thursday, Friday, and into the weekend. So the weekend's a great time if you want to go pumpkin picking or look at the fall foliage, if you want to take a drive upstate. I know we peak at the end of the month, but other places are peaking around us. So again, a touch milder. The humidity starts to increase Sunday night just a touch. The good thing about this whole pattern is that it's not humid, it's just a little bit mild outside. So we are watching for some much needed rain into early next week. You'll need the umbrella.
It's all right, time again for your weather hyperlocal forecast with Brooklyn meteorologist Krystal Ellis.
Krystal, you got some good news?
Yes, I do. I mean, these are the last of the showers outside on the satellite and radar. They are clearing out of here, moving to the east, and then we'll have a nice break until Sunday. That's going to be a very wet day, and you want to pay attention to the details that we have later in the show. So satellite and radar outside shows some light showers. They'll be moving to the east tonight, and we'll have clearing of the clouds and the showers. It'll be turning cooler. It's a quick cool shot overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning. You'll be waking up with temperatures in the low 40s, so dress accordingly. For tomorrow, it'll be sunny and quiet, pleasantly cool. This is the air pattern we're currently in. It's cool overnight, then it gets mild for Friday and Saturday. For Sunday, here's what we're dealing with. We've got rain showers coming from the south and the north. They meet up and could produce 1 to 2, maybe even more inches of rain. So we'll keep you posted. Just keep watching here on the weather on the 2s.
Krystal, thank you.
Now with Krystal Ellis, who's got not only today's forecast, but that trick-or-treat weather as well, right?
Yes, and it's looking more like a treat. See temperatures in the upper 40s around 9. So let's take a look at that hyperlocal 7-day forecast. It's a pretty one. We've got temperatures in the upper 50s for Tuesday and Wednesday. Thursday, we bump it up to 66, well above normal for Friday, once again near 70. And so far, Saturday looks good for the weekend. Sunday, we could be dealing with a little bit of unsettled weather, nothing like we saw yesterday, and that's the good news. Tonight, 43 degrees is our overnight low. It's a haunting chill. As we step into Wednesday, clouds start to creep into the picture. We'll have a chance for an isolated sprinkle as we head into the later hours in the night and into tomorrow. Those are those stray showers moving on through. We'll clear it out for the second half. Well, not a bad day today. Thanksgiving was on the cold side, that's for sure. Our normal high is about 51 degrees for this time of year. 42 is what we reached. 72 in 1931. That would have been nice, but still, we had a nice day. Satellite radar shows we're still clear and dry overhead, and will stay that way for the next few days. Satellite and radar bigger picture, you can see there's some rain in Florida, and that will make its way up here and give us some clouds maybe Saturday afternoon, Saturday night. But as you can see, there's a very slim chance for that. 5-day rain forecast shows we stay dry for the most part. Overnight tonight, temperatures will be in the low 30s, so we'll be flirting with freezing for most areas with partly cloudy skies. It is cold outside. For Friday, we bounce up to seasonable. It'll be sunny outside, so great day to go check out those sales, go shopping. Southwest wind flow around 5 to 10 miles per hour. I'll have more weather on the 2s coming up. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed their Thanksgiving. We had a nice day overall, just on the cold side, and the temperatures for this evening and the night hours, overnight hours that is still cold. We'll be near freezing for most places. Mainly clear outside, west winds around 5 to 10 miles per hour. For the next 24 hours, we'll stay chilly for the overnight, and we'll start off chilly, so it'll still be in the low 30s when you wake up tomorrow, but then we'll eventually kick it up to near normal, which will be around 51 degrees. So as we step into the future cast and look for tomorrow, you can see nothing going on. Temperatures in the low 50s. It'll be a nice sunny day and seasonable temperatures. Overnight we'll have Temperatures in the mid-30s once again. It'll be partly cloudy and cold, seasonable and sunny for shopping, those sales, or hanging out with your family.
All right, time for your Bitter Blast forecast now with Krystal Ellis. Krystal, how's it looking out there?
Cold, basically.
too cold.
We're actually looking at some record-breaking cold temperatures for tomorrow. So here we are.
Let's get to our hyperlocal forecast. We have a lot to talk about. It's winter. We go through this every year, but somehow I feel like we're all still always shocked when we get hit with this, bitter cold every year,
Yeah,
Like we know what's
certainly.
coming, but
Well, this is a prolonged period. This is actually rare. It's not rare that we get, some cold shots, but this is an extended period. So you want to make sure you're prepared. It's going to be cold, and it's going to be cold for quite some time. As long as everybody has their warm jackets and their hat and gloves and scarf and they're prepared, then they should be good. Temperatures around our area in the mid-20s, cooling down to the low 20s. Let's check out the Midwest and the northern region of the United States. -13 in Fargo. So again, could be worse, but definitely a very cold and dangerous air mass moving into our area. This will stick around through New Year's Day. So if you have plans New Year's Eve to be out and about, you want to make sure you're prepared and you have a warm outfit. And you definitely, if you're going to see the ball drop, you really want to be bundled up and wear layers. So plenty of frigid nights in store for the next week. Here we are in the Midtown camera in Times Square. Courtesy of EarthCam, they're setting up for the New Year's Eve festivities. So in the spirit of that holiday coming up, I have the forecast. It looks like it's going to be cold. Who would have guessed? Ball drop temperature is about 15 degrees. And of course, when you factor in that wind chill, it will feel about 3 degrees. So you want to make sure you are bundled up with the hat, the gloves, the scarf, all of the above.
For a look at our weather on the 2s with meteorologist Krystal Ellis. A pretty nice way to end the work week on this Friday, Krystal.
I agree. It's not too bad. A little bit on the cold side, but hey, we have a weekend warm-up coming up, so I think we can handle it. Plus, it's the end of January, so what can you expect? It's going to be cold. Thank you, Marianne, for sending in our photo of the day. A gorgeous shot, that is. Looking at our planner ahead, temperatures pretty much stay steady in the mid-30s, and we'll eventually get down to the low 30s for tonight. Satellite and radar outside, nothing going on. And for the most part, nothing's going on around the entire Northeast, so that makes for a good Saturday. And here we are with the weekend warm-up planner for your Saturday. Temperatures will be in the upper 40s, eventually low 50s under lots of sunshine. We will be having building clouds in the picture and then some rain showers to deal with for Sunday. And I'll have more details on that coming right up. A very good Friday evening. I'm meteorologist Krystal Ellis, taking a look outside our Canarsie cam. Some breaks in the clouds, leaving us a really nice sunset for this evening, and temperatures aren't all that bad. They will change and get colder, so get out there and enjoy it before the clouds roll in and temperatures start to tumble overnight tonight. Satellite and radar outside, again, those thin wispy clouds are taking some breaks as we back it out completely. Out of the last 9 days, 7 has been below average.
Getting used to it, unfortunately.
No, don't get used to it. We have something to look forward to.
Good.
70s this weekend, and towards the end of the week, actually. Friday could make it to 70 degrees as well. If you have the News 12 app, which I'm sure you do by now, we do have a Futurecast feature, and that can show you what's coming. So let's do it right here. By tomorrow morning, we'll be thick in the clouds, and then the rain comes into the picture by tomorrow afternoon. So have the umbrella ready about 1 p.m. for some rain showers to come through. Could be heavy at times, and again, overnight, could see a thunderstorm. So we've got 2 rounds of showers to deal with before the weather clears right on out, and we've got nice conditions for Wednesday. Overnight tonight, 60, 68 for tomorrow, so feeling cooler. One more day to get through before temperatures skyrocket once again.